afternoon, the sun comes in with such a heavy light. I can't seem to think no more, but there's just so much on the wall. 2 years popped up, beating down the walls. Morning thoughts and feelings, and I just can't know. And I hear that you've been asking about me. I wish I could have lied, but broken hearts and staring through me with all your late lines. Fool me once, that's all you're for. I can give you 99, but it's still tough 'cause you're the one that's always on my mind. My head is overflowing about all the times, turning into shapes and colors, running through my mind until I die. Life in love is such a strange thing. I can't explain it if I try. No matter how much pain that one can cause, you convince yourself it's fine. You're everything, I love you so, but I won't change my mind. Too many things I've justified, I'll move on with my life. I really do wish all the best things, love and happiness for you. Even though I'm not a part of it, change your life, oh maybe I'll share mine. There's no for missing everything you do for yourself alive. My head is overflowing about all the times, turning into shapes and colors, running through my mind until I die. God didn't know I miss you too, but we both know it's done. This is my farewell for you, promise that I mean this all with love. Such a heavy light. I've been cloudy for too long, but I think I've cleared my mind. Another song, but this one's done, and I'm thinking that it's time to let go of everything and move on with my life.